we can use Firebase built-in functionality to confirm our users' email accounts. For that, we can import the send email verification method from the authentication package. And then we want to call that method right after we create our user's account. So here, in the signup function, we are using create user with email and password to create the user's account. And then we are using the doc to create a user profile in the database. After that, we are going to add the await send email verification, and this function takes as a parameter the new user that we just created. We can get that from the new user credential.user. Then we can see that if I create a new user, let's say in this case, Jorge at jsmobiledev.com, and I create a password, when I click create account, it's going to take me to the application. And then I'm able to go and check my inbox, and I see that Firebase already sent the email for me, and I just need to click the link, and Firebase takes care of the verification for us.